G&T Garage Doors and Gates have manufactured, installed and maintained quality garage doors and security gates for over 30 years. All of our automated timber and metal gates are manufactured by our skilled craftspeople using the highest quality materials. This ensures the longevity of our products and your peace of mind. G&T offer flexible design choices to suit your property without compromising on security or convenience. Whatever your requirements, we will advise the best product and style to meet your needs. And with such a wide variety of products on offer, you can be sure that whatever style, finish or colour you choose, your garage door or gate will suit the design of your home. With a 12-month guarantee on all parts, you can rest assured that you're in safe hands with G&T Garage Doors and Gates.